Cactus are planted from seeds. How long does it take to grow? Day 10. The soil moves. Cactus seed germ breaks through the shell of the seed. Drill that. Day 20. Many white spikes begin to sprout in the middle of the bark. These spikes are actually cactus leaves. Most cacti, living in a hot, dry environment, they've evolved spines like this to reduce transpiration, reduce water loss. In addition to that sharp, hard needle prick, it can effectively prevent being eaten by animals. Look closely at the bottom of the cactus spike. You can find a lot of white fluff. It's another form of spike. Can reflect strong light. It regulates body temperature. Day 253. The green fleshy stems of the cactus begin to grow. It replaces the green leaves for photosynthesis, manufacturing the required nutrients. Cacti plants usually put their fleshy stems grow as fat and fleshy as possible, so the body can store a lot of water. Could help with severe dry environments survive as time goes by. Under the plant growth lamp, grow from a seed into a decent cactus. It took 385 days. It may be another 3 years before it blooms and bears fruit. Many people may not have seen the cactus bloom. Notice this is not a special effect. This is what a cactus flower looks like when it blooms. There are many varieties of cactus, so they produce flowers in a variety of colors. Very beautiful. I'm sure many people are curious, where do the seeds of cactus come from? In fact, after the cactus blooms, successful pollination also bears fruit. And the fruits are very interesting. The fruit of this cactus, it's like a shrunken version of dragon fruit. And the fruit of this cactus is like yellow dragon fruit. Break open the pulp inside and it's crystal clear. It contains many seeds. Like this cactus, it's not chili peppers stuck in it, but it's fruit. After cutting, the little seeds inside are the seeds. Can be collected. Plant more cacti. Start with seeds. Plant into a cactus. Really fulfilling. First, we need to prepare the earthworms. We'll salt coconut shell on a 1:1 ratio. Simply prepare a well-drained soil. Because what cactus are most afraid of is stagnant water, find a transparent box, such as packing boxes. Some small holes are punched at the bottom for drainage. A hole is punched in the lid for ventilation. Don't fill the soil in the box to full. Gently compact with a spoon until the surface is smooth and flat. Then water. After getting soaked, spread the seeds of the cactus evenly over the soil. Don't sprinkle too densely. You can use several more boxes. Finish sowing seeds. Press the seeds with a spoon. Cover with a thin layer of soil. Cactus seeds are very small. If buried deep, it's hard to get out. And finally, close the lid. Put it in astigmatism. Avoid direct sunlight. After 15 days, cactus seeded in temperatures above 20 degrees. The seed has sprouted. Depending on the variety and temperature, the timing of their germination also varies, so be patient. Here's what it looked like after 48 days. Like little meatballs. It's really cute. During the growth process, maybe some seedlings will lie down horizontally. We need to use tweezers to help it stand up straight again. When the cactus grows this big, then transplant it into a separate small flower pot for cultivation. Did you learn it?